Here at Bluebird Gap Farm, and today I will show you some good walk access and beautiful places and beautiful birds here at Bluebird Gap Farm. Let's go! Now we are here inside the Bluebird Gap Farm. I'll tell you something about Bluebird Gap Farm. Bluebird Gap Farm is a popular public park and petting zoo located in Hampton, Virginia, United States. It is a recreational facility that offers visitors the opportunity to interact with various farm animals and enjoy outdoors activities. I will tell you also some information about Bluebird Gap Farm. Wow, look at those two bird couple. Are they sweet? Oh, wow. And these are some birds I will show you in this vlog. They're kind of like awesome. Look at those birds. There are different birds in here. I will tell you some history and purpose of Bluebird Gap Farm. It was established in 1963 as City Park. Its purpose was to provide an educational and recreational experience for visitors, especially children, by allowing them to learn about farm animals and rural life. Location and size. The farm is situated on approximately 60 acres of land in the heart of Hampton, Virginia. It offers a peaceful natural setting with plenty of space for visitors to explore and enjoy. Natural trails and gardens. The farm has several nature trails that wind through wooded areas and open spaces. This trail offers visitors the opportunity to enjoy a leisurely walk or explore the natural surrounding. Additionally, there are beautiful gardens showcasing flowers and plants that add to the farm's charm. my vlog at YouTube. Hello.
What's your YouTube name?
Fancy Watzi.
Okay. I'm gonna look at
Okay. I got so many places. Hello.
get home.
Oh, you are all angels. Your name is Derek? Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi.
Nice to meet you. Petting Zoo. One of the main attractions at Bluebird Gap Farm is the petting zoo area. Here, visitors can get up close and personal with friendly animals, pet them, and learn about their habitats, diets, and behaviors. It is a great place for children to learn about farm animals and develop a love for nature. Bluebird Gap Farm hosts various events throughout the year, including seasonal celebration, educational programs, and workshops. They often organize special activities during holidays such as Easter, Halloween, and Christmas. And also, when my kids are toddlers, I used to bring them here for storytelling every summer, and it's held on Friday. I'm not sure about these days. About picnics areas and playgrounds. Bluebird Gap Farm provides ample picnic areas where visitors can relax, enjoy a meal, or celebrate special occasions. The farm also features playground for children, including climbing structures, swings, and slides. This beautiful bluebird peacock is always keeping up appearance on my way, and I'm trying to wait this bird to spread her wings, and it took me a while. Wait for it and watch until the end, because I'll show you how to do it. And this little girl is so cute. She wants to be in my vlog. Hello. Here we go again, Bluebird. Blue, beautiful peacock. Yes, he's paying attention. Look at him. She's so beautiful. Yeah. The wings of this peacock is so awesome. Look at that. Yes, it's so nice. Amazing. Amazing. Hey, Bluebird Peacock, are you going to spread your wings now? Oh, you're still showing up. Yes. The Bluebird Peacock is still showing up, roaming around, me following, so I can see how he spread his wings. I think think this is the right time. You just stop in and everybody is waiting for him to spread his wing. And I took a shot and I will show you later on this vlog, a live one. And here's the back one. Yes, he's in the back. I took a shot at the back one. Not that I was surprised, and some other birds also spreading their wings, and this white one is awesome. Yeah, long time ago I remember there's a white peacock that really want to spread his wing, and it's so beautiful. I forgot, that was long time ago, so I lost the picture. But there's a couple bird, the white couple bird. I think the white one, the other one is the male, and the other one is trying to hard to get. Yeah. Now is the time. Look at that. He finally spread the wings. Yes, the bluebird is showing up. Bluebird Cap's peacock is showing up how he spread the wings. And that is the back one. He like to show its black back. And he finally show it. It's so beautiful. Isn't it? Agreed? Yes, it is pretty. Look at that. A handsome one. Amazing how he spread his wings. Conservation and education. Bluebird Gap Farm is committed to promoting conservation and environmental awareness. It provides educational opportunities for visitors to learn about the importance of preserving natural resources and respecting animals. Bluebird Gap Farm is home to diverse range of farm animals. Visitors can see and interact with animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep, pigs, rabbits, duck, geese, chicken, peacocks, and more. The farm aims to promote animal welfare and conservation education. Now we are entering one of the barn here at Bluebird Gap Farm. This barn is the stable barn where they put the horses and goats and pigs and some livestock animal. I guess when they are sleeping, this is where they put those, and when it's a bad weather, they put inside here. And it's a very comfy zone for animals, and it's well prepared for any calamities. They also have a concession area where you buy your own snacks and drinks if you got thirsty and you don't bring anything. And here's the pavilion, that places where they held storytelling when I remembered. And also it's a picnic area that you prepare your food there, and some children that come from the school where they held field trip, they held snacks or mealtime on that pavilion. Hello everyone, if you do not subscribe yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And I promise you will see more on my other vlogs and this vlog. Keep watching because I will show you the real nature tracking. And it is amazing and beautiful till the end. 1, 2, 3, let's go!